Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to crochet the lily flower. You can get the same yarn I'm using on my web Funincloud. Now let's crochet the small petal with white yarn. Make a knot, then work chain 25. Okay, finished 25 chains, starting on the second chain from the hook. Work 2 single crochets first. Then we crochet 2 half double crochet stitch. First, the second. Next, we need to work 14 double crochet stitch. You can make a mark on the first double crochet stitch. Then continue to work 13 double crochet stitch. Now we have finished 14 double crochet stitch. Then continue to work 3 half double crochet stitch and 2 single crochet. The last chain, we need to work 3 single crochet in one stitch. On the other side, we crochet symmetrically. Work 2 single crochets first, then work 3 half double crochet. Next, work 14 double crochet stitch. Finished, work 2 half double crochet and 2 single crochet. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Now add the soft wire 0.5 mm to start round 2. Work an increase first, which means work 2 single crochets in one stitch. Continue to work 2 half double crochet stitch. Then work 2 double crochet. Next, we need to work 11 double crochet increase. Work 2 double crochet in one stitch, repeat 11 times. Finished. Continue to work 4 half double crochet increase, which means work 2 half double crochet in one stitch and repeat 4 times. Then continue to work 4 single crochet increase. The second, the third, the fourth. Now we can see the top stitch. We need to work a single crochet, chain 3 picot, in the single crochet in the same stitch. On the other side, we crochet symmetrically. Please finish by yourself. Finished. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch to finish the small petal. Use the left yarn to wrap around the soft wire. We need 3 small petals for 1 lily flower. Now let's crochet the large petal. Make a knot, and then we need to crochet chain line 28. Finished chain line, starting on the second chain from the hook. Work 2 single crochet stitch. Continue to work 4 half double crochet stitch. Three, 4. Okay, then we need to work 14 double crochet stitch. You can make a mark on the first double crochet stitch. Finished. Continue to work 4 half double crochet stitch. The second, the third, the fourth. Okay, then continue to work 2 single crochet stitch. The last chain, we need to work 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. On the other side, we crochet symmetrically. 2 single crochet stitch first. Then work 4 half double crochet stitch. Next, work 14 double crochet stitch. At 14 double crochet stitch, continue to work 4 half double crochet. The last 2 stitch, we crochet 2 single crochet stitch. Finished, work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Then we need to add the soft wire 0.5 millimeters to start round 2. Work an increase in the first 6 stitches. Then work a single crochet stitch. Next, for half double crochet stitch. Third, fourth. Then work 2 double crochet stitch. Then work 11 double crochet increase, which means work 2 double crochet in one stitch and repeat 11 times. Please finish by yourself. Now we finished 11 double crochet increase. Then we need to work 4 half double crochet increase, which means work 2 half double crochet in one stitch and repeat 4 times. The third step, the fourth step. Then work for single crochet increase. The third, the fourth. Okay, now we can see the top stitch. Work a single crochet, chain 3 picot, and 1 more single crochet in one stitch. The other side is similar. Please complete it yourself. Finished. Skip the slip stitch and the standing stitch. Work a slip stitch on the first single crochet stitch. Then use the left yarn to wrap around the soft wire. Now the large petal is done. We need 3 large petals for 1 lily flower in total.